CHZ sort of countenances opposition at 20 cents in an unpretentious manner. CHZ most certainly acquired around 2.99% inside the truly most recent 24 hours, which especially is very huge. CHZ United States dollar pair exchanging underneath EMA20, decently kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. Chilliz pick up bullish speed over the previous week acquiring 10.63%, which generally is genuinely critical in an unobtrusive manner. 01 October 2023, in this video we will truly sort of walk you through Chilliz cost examination for now or for most certainly truly 1 week from now, and most certainly attempt to answer these much of the time in a real sense, clarified pressing issues, facts, what actually in a real sense is pretty truly transient cost expectation for Chilliz, certainly all things considered. Is CHZ a very wise interest in an unpretentious manner? Chilliz support and obstruction levels and so on, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking, which explicitly is very huge. However, prior to jumping essentially profound into the CHZ specialized examination, in every practical sense, let us in a real sense discuss the very current economic situations, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. Market examination over the truly last 24 hours, there fundamentally was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the very whole cryptographic money market to $1,082,486,145,595, which basically most certainly is genuinely huge. The sort of all-out exchanging volume generally remains at $28,442,159,686 in an unpretentious manner. Bitcoin shares 48.85% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally essentially has a predominance of 16.33%, showing how Chilliz pick up bullish speed over the especially past week acquiring 10.63%, which especially is genuinely huge. Which essentially brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $27,116.71 level after a vertical development of 0.16% in every practical sense, significant way in an unpretentious way. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum generally has seen a value decline of 0.37%, coming to $1,674.25 during the past 24 hours in an exceptionally sort of huge manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $214.15, following a value change of 0.76% within a similar time period in a genuinely enormous manner in a significant way. XRP, the by and large local coin of XRP, sort of for the most part is somewhere near 0.13, and as of now exchanging at 52 cents, or so they fundamentally thought amazingly. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem in a really significant way. These occasions really demonstrate that the market sort of especially is going in every practical sense, descending course for sort of essentially present moment. For the most part kind of additional appearance how Chilliz support and obstruction levels and so on in a quite enormous manner, or so they thought. As of now, a kind of broad truly regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in an unpretentious manner. Chilliz backing and opposition backing and obstruction by and large sort of are significant specialized pointers used to distinguish pretty extremely key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, which generally is very critical. Support is a level at which purchasers by and large become commonly more most certainly essentially dynamic and by and large prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, showing how CHZ United States dollar pair exchanging beneath EMA20 in a by and large significant way. Similarly, opposition truly is a level at which merchants generally become move in every practical sense, dynamic and truly all things considered, prevent the coin's cost from moving essentially most certainly higher in an unobtrusive manner. Following truly are the help and obstruction levels of Chilliz, CHZ, Chilliz execution. The cost of Chilliz, CHZ, generally is at $0.063, up 2.99% in the beyond 24 hours, and truly has a value change of 10.63% over the course of the week, so as of now, a truly broad exceptionally bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in an unobtrusive manner. One-day exchanging volume for BTC entirely is 45,789,689.00 United States dollars, while sort of complete market cap came to $473,813,078 United States dollars amazingly. There certainly are practically 7,466,079,839 sort of or available for use out of 8,888,888,888 in a very significant manner, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Chilliz Value Examination CHZ Cost Investigation for 01 October 2023, inside a pretty everyday time span, commonly made sense of underneath. So Chilliz pick up bullish speed over the in every way that really matters, past week acquiring 10.63%, or so they most certainly thought. We utilize quite relative strength INDEX RSI, moving truly normal intermingling and difference, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including truly straightforward moving truly normal, SMA, and outstanding moving most certainly normal, EMA, to in every practical sense, fundamentally examine the future development of the Chilliz. Exhibiting how support explicitly is a level at which purchasers in a real sense become essentially more truly dynamic and in a real sense, especially prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, showing how CHZ United States dollar pair exchanging underneath EMA 20, which truly is genuinely huge. The sort of relative strength record, RSI, for CHZ coin in a real sense is at present floating at 28 for 14 days truly normal line, which especially by and large means CHZ truly is in oversold zone, and a pattern kind of inversion generally is conceivable, lovely as opposed to mainstream thinking. The Chilliz basically has in a real sense by and large break all its for the most part upholds levels, and things explicitly are not looking great for the crypto market, so 01 October 2023, in this video we will all things considered walk you through Chilliz cost examination for now or for especially 1 week from now, and basically attempt to answer these much of the time, generally especially got clarification on some things, facts, what certainly is momentary cost expectation for Chilliz, really is CHZ a kind of wise interest in an unobtrusive manner. Presently, especially bears generally are in charge of the market and effectively by and large take CHZ cost beneath the critical help level of 17 cents, showing how the really complete exchanging volume explicitly remains at $28,442,159,686, which sort of is very huge, or so they thought. The CHZ United States dollar moving in every practical sense, normal union and dissimilarity, MACD, pointer by and large, is showing an especially present moment, explicitly sell reasonably truly signal, as the MACD line generally is moving beneath lovely especially signal line which generally implies really bears for the most part are ruling on the lookout. Exhibiting that the CHZ United States dollar moving kind of normal combination and uniqueness, MACD, marker for the most part is demonstrating a kind of present moment truly sell pretty sign, as the MACD line truly is moving underneath, kind of sign line which sort of means entirely bears explicitly are overwhelming in the market in an unobtrusive way, which is very huge. While CHZ's Williams %R pointer explicitly is at 61.238 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an unbiased condition. A exchange, fundamentally signal generally is entirely conceivable at this rate.